welcome back for a new episode here at the Dilligaf 420. This time I made a Unity port to my last game I showed you. It's called RIvNer, and this is the first of all. I want to show you again the Blender engine version that I didn't work for last month or something. I made a Unity version instead, so I exported the assets to Unity and rebuilt the whole mechanic with Playmaker, which is I'm gonna show you later in this video, but it's like logic brick in game engine, so you don't need to code. Gonna show you later in this video. However, as you can see, this is the main concept of this game: picking up bricks and planks and getting the key and open the chest. And yeah, you can destroy building, pick up bricks and planks. That's the main concept of this game. If you look at this Blender logi bricks, which I use instead of scripting in Python, it's pretty easy and it's easy to understand, but when you come to more complex function in a bigger, more complex game, it's gonna look more and more confusing, and it's gonna be like looking for a needle in a haystack when you're gonna change a little thing. Like this. This is the play unit connected with some other stuff here. Key and the camera and the HUD displays, and yeah, it's game logic bricks is awesome if you make small demos, or prototyping. I use for my upcoming projects, I probably gonna only use Unity, but in the future, but I still gonna use Blender to make 3D models, texturing stuff and so, and I'm probably gonna, if I use game logic and the game engine Blender to some extent. So when I build a house or something and I just making an easy demo, so right in Blender I can look around and get the feeling, and if I make levels in Blender and then export it to Unity. Here's the main problem why I switched to Unity. The really big problem if you fail, you wanna restart. and you don't want to restart the whole game, like closing down and starting up again. So here's the main issue. So see, when I start this, the camera is off placed. The camera is a child object to the player unit, so it's parented, and when I restart, the child objects don't line up at the original position. It's got stuck from the position when it's got restarted. So I'm gonna show you two more. Like if I move my character a few meters, restart, play press again, see my camera is off. The same is the chest lid. If you look up, see the chest. The top on the chest is also wrong position, so it seems to be a bug for the old child projects in the UPBGE Blender Gamer Engine. So after this, I try to make it work. I Google it, or I mean I DuckDuckGo it, so search on the web and try to walk it around, but it seems very complex to fix this issue. Maybe there are a simple solution, but some year ago I bought Playmaker for the Unity game engine, so I gave that a shot instead. I imported the assets as I said, to the Unity, and made the game ground up and there in Unity. As I'm gonna show you, it's the same as here was some test blocks. I made a very easy prototype before I started to build up the game. That block I made in Magica Voxel. The funny thing is about that block, I just dropped over the edge to, which was making Magica Voxel. It seems that I can import voxel objects into Unity and it works, but when I do it in the Blender game engine, it's got a really big frame drop. So if I wanna in the future make voxel based graphic, make it look like the game Teardown, the Unity is much better engine to handle that graphic and 3D models. As in this version, you grab the key and you go to the chest. Yeah, and of course you can also pick up and deconstruct constructions. Open the ugly chest. I'm gonna remodel this chest today after I upload this video on the YouTube. The chest gonna be a new graphic. And yeah, I always have some spare planks. Yeah, and you can the same thing there. Open the chest and you're gonna get back to the main menu, I think. Yes, and for now my dev map, the map I make new stuff in. And I made some more realistic grass from a square terrain. I also try another stuff like here, like I can sprint holding the left shift key. This is based off the first map of this game. And rotating the key, very simple mechanic there. Oi. I'm so sorry. I burped you in your ear. You get the key. I'm too lazy to cut this down. The stream clip, so I'm gonna upload all this shit. This is already a voiceover. Oh, I changed the animation on the chest. So nice. As I said, I'm gonna redesign the whole chest. We need textures and back to level 1. I don't know. It's not much more to say about this. I'm gonna keep making it better, and then when I'm happy with it, I'm gonna like spawn 20-30 maps, different levels on it with the same assets, and just release it, publish it. And as a freeware, I think this game is mostly for me to learn Unity and Playmaker add-ons. And my dream project is making my car game a rip-off or something like that. This game is just learn to make a game, and so I don't know how well made it's gonna be. It's pretty rough right now, and I only have like 2-3 maps levels on it. Yeah. So we're gonna wrap this up because I'm gonna talk to my bros on Discord. They maybe wanna play with me. So see you later, guys. Have a nice day and vote up this awesome video. Please do it, and follow me on. You can only follow me on YouTube. I don't have Instagram or other shit like that. yeah. See ya guys, bye.